Let's fire up Sublime Text Editor. Now, the first thing you should know when learning Selenium WebDriver is how to navigate to a web page. Let's write a small test that opens a Google page. Import WebDriver. Define the driver that you want to use. Let's use Firefox driver for now. Now, open the google.com page. And finally, let's quit the driver. Let's save this test, click File, Save As, and let's name our test navigate.py. Now let's run this test from the terminal. And our test runs successfully. Now let's run the same test on Chrome. Just change the driver to webdriver.chrome and rerun the test. To run this same test on IE, just change the driver to webdriver.ie. Great! We have been able to write our first Selenium test. However, at this point, our test is not doing much. The goal of Selenium WebDriver is to interact with web elements. To do so, these elements have to be ready to be interacted with. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to wait for elements.